Welcome to Adam Auto Group, Chicago's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great in our collection. A pre-owned 2018 Mercedes-Benz Metris cargo van. This Mercedes-Benz is powered by rear-wheel drive, 2.0-liter engine, automatic transmission, and has 122,344 miles. Choose refined utility with our 2018 Mercedes-Benz Metris cargo van. Immaculately maintained, low mileage, advanced features, and unmatched durability. A luxurious solution to your transportation needs, now at a very attractive price. This pre-owned Metris cargo van comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with keyless entry, power windows, power locks, power tailgate. To keep you entertained, this Mercedes-Benz Metris cargo van is equipped with Bluetooth. Safety was put first by the following features: electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, backup camera, ABS brakes, daytime running light. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.